I've been question maker school head for 2 years, and now I am running to be the next academics department head. So my platforms can be summarized by the acronym AMS. Basta may AMS dapat dyan. Then, first A is appropriate a more balanced distribution of tasks among members. So, one thing I've noticed with the department in my 3 years stay in the department is that there are much more members in the tutor school, and some of them actually are not able to tutor. So my plan is to have stricter requirements for the tutor pool to lessen its member and move them to the question maker school and projects. I also plan to form a separate pool or group that will handle problem-solving seminar, which is currently being handled by the question maker school. So members who do not want to tutor and make questions can still go to this pool and contribute to the department. And finally, there's a chance that the department will be assigned to make NSDP modules next year. And my plan for this is to give this task to the pool, which will have excess members, so that everyone in the department still has equal opportunity to help out in the department. So next is M. M is to make AMS more known in and out of Ateneo by opening the department's projects to more people. First is college Titlayan. So every year, majority of the participants only come from UP or Ateneo, and I want to increase the participants coming from other universities. Second is problem of the week and problem solving seminar. I want to open these projects from AMS members only to entire Ateneo school. So, and last is tutor school, which currently has tie-ups with other organizations to do tutoring services. My plan is to continue these tie-ups and if possible, increase the number of tie-ups with other organizations. And last is S, which is to stimulate more interaction among members and the mathematics department. I think one reason why there are inactive members in the department is that there is a lack of interaction between the members, and so some of them are shy and discouraged to help in the department. So I am planning to have more GAs and consultations with one another to revive and to increase the communication and participation from the members. Second is I want to foster an environment wherein academics department wherein the members are able to help each other academically. So that they can feel there is a benefit from being in the academics department. And finally, I want to maintain the relationship formed between the AMS and mathematics department. So I want to continue to seek support and help from the mathematics department whenever possible in the department's projects and activities. So again, I'm Russell Ferrata and voting for academics department, and dahil oras na panselbihan ko kayo.